Dawn from Let's Make a Mess today. How are you doing this morning? I just wanted to come online and let you know that there's some journals in my Etsy shop. There's 4. There's 2 of the multi and 2 of the blue. These seem to be a major favorite of you guys, so I wanted to make sure that I stuck with these colors this time. Yeah, so I love working with Batik because I just find it so super yummy. So let me just give you a rundown. I might just take out a couple here to show you really quick. Let me give you a rundown of these gorgeous journals. These are 100% batik cotton, and they're fabric, and they have a chunky tassel or dangle, whatever you want to call it. And these can be untied, retied, reused, whatever you want to do. This is a flow journal, so it's up to you whether you want to keep it this way and use it as a journal or use it as a flow and take it apart. There's grommet here where this is tied in. There's a grommet in the back where this is also tied in. It's got a nice little closure right there. It's like it reminds me of a horn on a saddle. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but that's what it reminds me of. There's plenty of room on this to make this grow. If you do decide to keep it, you can always tighten it up, whatever you want to do. There's 3 signatures. I don't know if you can see them right there. So let's just go ahead and dig in and get started. What's in here? It's basically the same kind of things that I normally put in my journals that you guys enjoy. They are covered with, I should come down maybe a little bit. Should I? No, I'm okay. So they're covered in paper inside, and they go all the way out to the edge like I normally do. And again, there's 3 signatures packed with lots of fun collage and crafting supplies. So this is February, so I did add some Valentine type scrap paper to the mix. There's some collage paper. There is some vintage stationery and some basic book pages. There is some great wallpaper to use for edging. I don't know if you saw my last Fatty Patty, but if you haven't seen the edging on my last Fatty Patty, run, don't walk. You need to go see that video. It's a lot of fun. Here's an embossed piece of paper. This one happens to have a little bee on it. I don't know if you can see that. And just some basic pages, book pages, and lots of forms. Next Sunday, Saturday or Sunday, I will be posting a form video so you can see what to actually do with the forms that I put in my journals, okay? Because I want you to, this is some fabric. I want you to be able to use those forms, and I couldn't wait to show you what to do with those forms. So these are my favorite forms, and you'll see in the video that I couldn't get enough of these forms. So, and there's just some added extra ephemera. I'm still working my way through these little elk heads. I love them. These guys are great. Put a hat on them or whatever. Use them in your mixed media. I love them. And then these dolls, I plan on dolling these up pretty soon. So stick around for that. And then a pink heart napkin. And obviously some words with some quotes and at that. Yeah. Some more fabric. I just fell in love with this fabric, so I cut out the design for you. I love that. A little applique. Some more napkins. And of course some more cards. Isn't that beautiful little spring card? And some painty papes. Everybody has painty papes. Coffee dye. Another form, more coffee dye. And this is my favorite. When I run out of this, I don't know. I'm going to have to go find another one that has just this color because it's my absolute favorite vintage color. Love it. And then some more vintage stationery, which again I'm running out of. And then some of these plant and leaves imprints. I can't remember what that's called. And then some vintage recipe cards, music sheets. Isn't this adorable, you guys? I love this. It's a bag, a little bag sack, wherever you are in the United States or the world. That's a bag. I think we grew up calling them sacks, though. I don't know. I'll have to just ask somebody here. What do you call this? And see what their gut reaction is. Won't that be funny? Here's my French paper. There's more than one sheet here. So there's that. A cute little sparkly pineapple, some stickers, some more coffee dye, more painty papes, more words. And some more paper to collage with or on. Some more Valentine sheets. Coffee dyed doily. And there's one of these beautiful little, it's not real, but it sure feels real. Little butterfly or flutterby, as I like to call that. Some paper to play with, some tickets, some stickers, and some more collage paper, some more girl stickers to play with, some more words, more painting paper, seize the day, some more words, and some more guest checks. Again, watch my forms. It's coming up next week. And some really pretty springy vintage cards. These are plain cards. I found these. I just had to have them. So pretty. And then just some cutouts of some beautiful pages. So that's the blue. They're basically all the same. Yeah, so I'll put this here. So you can check that out. And now we'll just kind of look at the multi. And the multis are basically the same again. So these are in my Etsy shop. You just pick one and I'll send you one. So again, it's got a chunky monkey on here. And it's got, you know, everything's the same. It's the 100% Batik fabric. Move this out of the way so I can flip through here for you. I just like to keep them on the in view, you know. Again, this goes all the way out to the edges, so it's nice and finished. And then some fabric here for you to play with. I love that fabric. And then the coffee dye, painting papers, edging, more edging. Rip those up, put those on your edging. If you haven't seen that video, you really need to go see that last Fatty Patty. It was awesome. Some of that, my favorite vintage. And these birds, of course, there's two. They're different. They're different. So there's that. Asian paper and a crazy looking old guy. Some more dolls. And some more napkins. Because it is Valentine's, so. And oh, I always send a little extra with these. Oh, and another thing is remember that when you're ordering, please remember that you can order more than one and I will ship them in the same box, so it won't cost you the same. And also, I do not charge you full shipping what it costs me because I put them in a bigger box because I want to send you like more stuff. So there's that. I always send a little extra ephemera with my package. It's a little gift and a thank you for you. You know. Oh, and I love this black notebook paper, lined notebook paper. Hello. Again, you can keep these as a flow, or you can tear them apart and use all the stuff that's in them. I'm going to eventually show you how to sew these signatures into the book. So if you want to keep them and use them, you can. I'm going to show you how to sew them into the book. So there's that. So be ready for that video. That is coming. Some lips for Valentine's Day. Some pink. Oh, and a card. This is the Oregon Shakespeare Festival. It's usually in Ashland, Oregon. I've never been, but I do plan on going as soon as things start opening up again. Some words and that beautiful card, doily, and yeah. Tickies, French music sheets. I mean, there's everything you need right here, you guys. You don't need to go out and collect all this stuff because I've done it for you. There you go. You have everything you need right here. So, there you go. So that would be the multi. So there's the multi. I love it. And here's the blue. These are 9x6. Oops. So head on over to Etsy, grab yourself one, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Oh, and all of them have a little Buddha head on it. Just a little Buddha head. Everyone has one of those on there. And then, of course, everything's different. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you decide you don't want to tighten this up, don't want to add to this, you can always tighten it up right here. However, you'll be adding to it. It'll get real thick real soon. Okay, you guys, you have a great day. I love you. Take care. Thanks for supporting my channel. I really appreciate you. All right, take care, guys. Bye now. Be well.